Today's math lesson, we are looking for patterns. So you will need your work mat 3-7 and a pencil. That's really all you need for today's lesson. Put your name on top of your paper. And then I'm going to put this aside for just a second so we can practice, and then we'll take out our work mat. So just watch me for a minute. If I had one block, and then the next time I had 2 blocks, I can tell my numbers are getting bigger. So if I'm making a pattern, which one is going to come next? 3 is going to come next. I'm increasing it by 1. It goes 1, 2, 3. What's going to come next? 4. This one has 1. Then I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder what would come next in my pattern. Patterns are things that repeat. So let's look. This looks a lot like the one we just did. So I have 1, then I have 2, 3, 4. Every time I add another one, I'm adding 1 more. So which one's going to come next? What comes after 4? Do you think 1, 2, 3, 4 would come again? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 5 comes next. That's what would come next to my pattern. So you're going to take your pencil and you're going to circle the 5 because it would go here. If you want, you could even put an arrow or you can just circle it. 5 would come next. Then we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this time the pattern's getting a little trickier. We have 1 blue, then 1 yellow. 2 blues, then 2 yellows, 3 blues. What would come next in my pattern? Look carefully. You're right, 3 yellows would come next because it's going blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. It's also getting bigger by 1. So 3 yellows would come next. Circle the 3 yellows, and if you want, you can put an arrow. Great job. Turn your paper over. Now here, we're looking for the pattern. I'm going to block off this bottom part so that you're just looking at the top. So these are butterflies. And in the first row, we have 1. Block it off some more. So we have 1. And then we have 2. And then we have 3. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What would come next? Would we have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Well, I know it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would circle the 5. Okay, let's look at the next one. So first we have 1 dog. Then we have 2 dogs. Then we have 3 dogs. What's going to come next? 4 dogs. Can you find it? Good job. 4 dogs would come next. So circle the 4 dogs. Okay. Now this time we're going to draw. So we're going to go ahead and block these off. And we're looking at these party hats. So first we have 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. Then we have 4. What's going to come next? How many? Right, 5. Now I'm just going to make my party hats like triangles. So I will draw 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I keep adding 1 more. That's my pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, so the last one. These are oranges. So let's look. First we have 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. So how many oranges will come next? You're right, 4. So I'm going to just draw 4 circles for 4 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job finding patterns.